Hi everyone. A few of my friends have been asking how to use Google Meet to schedule meetings with people, and I'm going to show you how to do that very simply in this video. So let's dive right in. So you can do this actually directly from Gmail, and recently Google has made it free to use Google Meet. They actually changed the name. It used to be Hangouts. They changed it to Meet now. And if you go into your Gmail inbox, you can see a new section here called Meet. You have a couple of things to do. You can start a meeting immediately, or you can join a meeting. And we're also going to see how you can schedule a meeting in the future. So let's say someone says, hey, let's get together now and let's talk over video and maybe share our screen. You can start a meeting right away. If you click start a meeting, that will get things started. You can, in this case, my camera failed because I'm already shooting this video, but you can show your camera, you can turn on or off your mic, of course. You can present. Nothing happens here. Nobody can see you until you hit join now. Once you hit join now, you will have this link that you can copy and send to your friends, or you can add people directly from here by people you know that you're already in your list, or you can put their email addresses and they'll get the invite in their inbox. From here you can do things like presenting your screen. You can present your entire screen or a window. So if I'm presenting, I can present this screen here. So anything that I'm showing on my screen, everybody can see. I can stop presenting. You can have a lot of different things to do here. You can change the layout. Something like this. If you have multiple people to show up on the right hand side, you can change the settings. So if people can't hear you, go to the settings, adjust your microphone, make sure you select the proper microphone. Also same thing for your video camera, and so on. So that's with settings. So let's just exit from this meeting right now. Let's close this window. So that's the way to do it right away, immediately, if you want to get people together on the spot. You can also click join a meeting. So if somebody already created a meeting, they can send you the meeting code, and you can just put the meeting code in here and click join, and away you go. Now, the way you're probably going to use Meet the most is by scheduling a meeting. And you can do that easily still within Gmail here. On the top right hand side, you can see calendar. This will pull up your calendar for that specific date. You can change the date, of course, to whatever you or whenever you want to schedule your meeting. Let's say I want to schedule a meeting here from 5 to 6 p.m. today. So I can just click and drag and say important meeting, for example. And then I can add some guests here if I want. I can put some email addresses of people I know, or people that show up in my contact list will show up here. You can also, this is where you add, so let me do this again. You can see add Google Meet video conference. So if you click here, it's going to automatically create a Google Meet invite for you that's going to be stored in your calendar invite. You can copy this like that and send it to people. And if you copy it and open a new browser window and paste it, if you click it, that's going to open the meeting as well. So this is what people are going to get. They're going to get that, and then you can you can send it to them that way. But let's see what happens when I save this calendar invite. Okay, so it's here. I can look at it here, or I can open it from Google Calendar here as well, just going to calendar.google.com. And here's my meeting that I just created. So when the time for the meeting comes, all you need to do is just click this join with Google Meet. Or again, if you copy it, you can copy the link and send it to your friends if you hadn't invited them in this through the calendar invite itself. If you click on it, once again, it will start the meeting, and you're good to go. Nobody can see you at this point. Once again, you click join now, and at this point, you're in the meeting. So I'm going to exit from here. You can exit the meeting by hitting the leave call button at the bottom, or you can just close the tab. That will exit the meeting as well. So hopefully this was a good overview for you of how to use Google Meet, how to schedule a Google Meet meeting. One last thing, maybe before I forget, you can do this straight from here, right? Same way you did it from Gmail, you can do it from here as well. You can add a Google Meet, so you can do it from the calendar itself. You can give it a name, name of meeting. Add your guests here by email, or they'll show up from your contact list, and just save it. And once again, it'll show up here, and you can join the meeting once you click that button. So hopefully this has been helpful, and go ahead and schedule some meetings, especially during this time of social distancing. So it'll be helpful for you to see people face to face. Hopefully this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.